List of the disadvantages of cell phones. Number one, cell phones create a significant distraction for people. There are almost 700,000 drivers who will pick up their cell phone while in their vehicle for some reason during any given day. Some are reading and responding to text messages that come through. Others are making phone calls without the use of hands free technology. There are nearly 2 million accidents that occur in the United States because of distracted driving issues that involve cell phones. Over 20% of accidents that involve a fatality and a teen driver include the influence of a cell phone as part of the incident. It isn't just driving that is dangerous. Pedestrian accidents which involve cell phone use are rising as well, with people falling into fountains, venturing into traffic, or slamming from poles because they never look up from their screen. The National Safety Council has been even added distracted walking as an injury category with over 2,000 accidents happening per year. New cell phones can be very expensive. If you purchase an older cell phone or one with limited features, then you can find one for less than $100 in most locations. When you want to have access to the latest technology from the industry, then you are going to pay a price for that access. The latest iPhone models are priced above 1000, so even payment plans with a data provider create 3 years of debt to manage for some consumers. Specialty cell phones can be priced above $10,000 in some situations as well. As with any other technology, you can only experience the advantages of cell phones if you can afford to own one and manage your talk, text, and data expenses at the same time. It exposes people to the problem of cyberbullying more often. Before we had access to a cell phone, the only way that someone could become a cyberbully was to call you on your landline or send an unfriendly email. The technology we have today allows for instant updates, posts, and comments which can lead to this behavior. There are no longer any safe places if you keep your phone on 24/7. Even people you don't know can decide to troll your social media accounts to create conflict. Only 10% of kids with a cell phone say that they will talk to their parents if they experience cyberbullying at home. But 90% of teens have access to a personal cell phone. When we have so many different ways to communicate, then that increases the number of opportunities for one person to bully another. Number four, cell phone technologies can create addictive tendencies in people. The average person in the United States spends over 180 minutes each day in front of their cell phone as a smartphone owner. That means you spend almost 40% more time on your cell phone if you hit that time target than you do finding something to eat each day. The average person will check their device over 80 times per day, sometimes even logging in without any notifications just because the act of getting into the phone provides comfort. People can become emotionally tied to their phones in such a way that they feel grief, anxiety, or despair if they forget it at home. About half of adults who own a smartphone say that there are times when they feel lost without the device in their possession. There are issues of sexual abuse, exploitation, and child pornography with cell phones. Sexting is one of the most significant issues that happens with the modern cell phone, especially for teens under the age of 18. When someone takes a nude picture of themselves to send to someone else, that can be a violation of the law. Only 11% of kids admit that they have sent an image of themselves to a stranger, but 4 out of 5 teens in this category say that they did so. It's not just directed at our kids either. 40% of teens say that they have received an explicit or aggressive message in this category that was meant for someone else. Over 10% of girls say that they receive pressure from someone that they know to send a message with an image of themselves. Cell phone batteries can be dangerous. Although the Samsung Galaxy Note 7 is the most famous example of a malfunctioning battery in a device. There are several different health concerns to consider with this technology. If you use a phone for an extended time, then it can heat up enough to cause burns to sensitive skin. The heat generated by the battery can also cause flammable items to ignite in some situations. There are also some concerns about the long term exposure to electromagnetic radiation that can come from cell phones. Several students have shown that men who use a cell phone frequently have lower sperm count viability and mobility than those who do not. It may also increase the oxidative stress on some cells, which could eventually lead to DNA damage.